Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on Google Play Store for Samsung Galaxy A23. And to fix this, let's start with finding Call of Duty in our Play Store. Right here there's no game that we're looking for, so go back. Click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, reveal the family parental controls, select apps and games, enter your PIN code. Right here increase the PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back and look for the game again, and it should be right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.